G'day fellas, how you going out? We've got the Two Birds Double Sunset Double Red Ale, and this one's a 7.3%er, and it's something a little bit different. They've upped the hops with a bit of dry hopping, kettle hopping. They've doubled the hops and they turned the malt up, so it's like their best beer, or my personal best of theirs. The Red Bird, I think it's called. Well, this is just one of those turned right up. And if it works at 5% or whatever it is, it's going to work at 7.3 turned up. Hope it holds the balance. But certainly got potential. Cheers. Looks great. Rich aroma. It's a lot of grapefruit, almost off the nose here. Oh wow. Whew, that's a tasty treat. I'd love to see the IBU count on that one. It's got to be real tidy, I reckon, just quietly, like 50 at least. I'm highly salivating. That's a beautiful mouthful of beer. Yeah, well done, ladies. You've done a great job there. That's a really good beer. That's awesome. Oh. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. That's one of the best Australian beers I've ever had. And toffee, malt, they reckon. Grapefruit, hop notes, rich, luscious, yeah, everything. Freak of nature, yes. Red Ale Sunset. That's right. So this one's a double sunset. It's a beauty. Their other one's really nice, but it's not quite as good as this one. That's a great Aussie beer. Well done. I just love it when I get a really good Aussie beer. Sorry guys, I didn't show the head. It's sort of beaded off a bit now. Probably didn't help. I've been had some bit of seafood this afternoon. Had a big, beautiful noodle soup, and you add wine to it. So it was a wine noodle soup. Geez, what a good idea that is. You pay $15, you get the real good wine to tip in your soup. If you don't finish it, they put your name on it, and you come back next time and you can use it again. It's a real nice one. Oh yeah, it was gorgeous. That was a really good, different noodle soup. That was in Jackson Court. It's a new place where Aldi is, in Jackson Court, Doncaster East. There's that noodle place started, it's just started, a few months. It's fantastic. Go and try it out. Cheers everyone. I'll leave you with that. Double sunset. I'm talking everyone up, talking Australia up. You got to talk Australia up. Full of some great people, doing some great things with food and wine. This is great. Well done, girls. Cheers.